Do you know that if you're wearing all these backless dress, all these ashawo dresses that has open back, and your back is full of spots and acne and whatever, back acne, back acne, right? Your back is full of all those things, guys. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Vivian here. Please, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you're an old viewer, thank you guys for always stopping by. You're the real MVPs. So today we're going to be talking about glycolic acid. This is the 7% glycolic acid exfoliating toner from The Ordinary, and this is a viral product. I mean, viral is everybody is using it. So I'm here to tell you the uses of this glycolic acid, because many of you do not know that it's not just for your face. There are so many other uses, and I'm going to tell you how to use them. If you watched my previous videos about this glycolic acid, I taught you guys how to know the fake from the original. Remember, if you try to peel it and it's not peeling like this, it is the fake. So this is the original. If you shake it and it doesn't foam, it is the fake. If it's not bright, if it's not transparent like this, it is fake. This is an exfoliant. It is glycolic acid, and glycolic acid is an alpha hydroxyl acid. It helps to exfoliate your skin, helps to exfoliate the surface of your skin. But glycolic acid doesn't penetrate deep into the tissues to exfoliate your skin. That is what salicylic acid does. So this one is just to exfoliate the outer part of your skin. The first use of this product is for your face as a toner. After washing your face, you let your face dry, then you use this as a toner. Most people use with cotton pads, and most people just use like that. People like me, what I do, I just pour it like that on my face because it's more effective if you do it that way. But most people use cotton pads, which you're just wasting it. If you have watched my videos, you know how I talk about not to use cotton pads for your face. Now, after using it on your face, then you continue with your other routine. This should be used only at night. At night, it works for exfoliating your face at night, helps it work faster, and you'll be less sensitive to the sun. When you use it in the morning and step out of the sun is easier to get to your skin. Even if you use so much sunscreen, the sun will get to your skin one way or another. And most of the time, the sunscreen that we use, the SPF they write there is not really the SPF that is in the bottle. So try as much as possible to use this only at night, because it's going to be more effective. You're going to be less sensitive to the sun. And after using it at night, the next morning, make sure that you use your sunscreen, that you protect yourself from the UVA, UVB, UVC, and any other UVs from penetrating your skin faster, and try to reapply. Second use of this product is for your armpits. Now, I know many of you use it to prevent odor. I don't know about odor. I don't know if it works for odor, because I use deodorant, but I don't think it does work for odor, because I have seen limited reviews of people using it for their underarm for odor. But it helps to brighten your underarm to an extent. It helps to prevent bumps from growing on your underarm. It helps to reduce ingrown hair. You know, it's an exfoliant, so it's going to definitely do all those things to an extent. That doesn't mean your armpit is going to be flawless in 2 months or in 1 month. You have to use it for a long time to see this result. Now, how I use it for my armpits is I get this small bottle, something like this. I pour a little amount into it, then I use it for my armpit. I use it only at night. Emphasis on only at night, when I want to go to bed. In the morning, please use your deodorant. Please, use your deodorant in the morning because of sweat. But at night, before you go to bed, you know that you're not sweating at night. Use this on your armpit, just 2 pumps, 1, 2, the next one, 1, 2, and you're good to go. In the next morning, your armpit is gonna feel refreshed and alive, and it will start getting brighter as time goes on. The third thing you use it for is for your elbow. I know most people don't talk about their elbows. Most people don't even use lotions on their elbows because they totally forgot that they have elbows. But for your elbow, the same method: pour it into this place, use it for your elbow, leave it to dry, then you use your lotion on it. It will help brighten the elbow. It will help remove, normally elbows, some people's elbows are very strong, to help soften your elbow. And when your elbow is soft, other lotions will penetrate into it and thereby making it lighter and brighter. The fourth use of glycolic acid is for your back. So many places, so many parts of your body, you don't pay attention to it. Your back is very important. And I know some people do not shave their back or wax their back. If you're waxing and you don't wax that place, I don't know what you're doing. Do you know that if you're wearing all these backless dress, all these ashawo dresses that has open back, and your back is full of spots and acne and whatever, back acne, back acne, right? Your back is full of all those things. Guy, it's not going to be sweet if you wear all those things. So make sure that you use this on your back. Let's say 3 times a week. It is a game changer. I recently started taking care of my back. I recently started using cream on my back, guys. And when I wore a backless dress, I felt it. I felt really good. I felt really alive. So try as much as possible to use this, and use it only 3 times a week. And once you use it and it dries out, you use your lotion, a brightening lotion on your back. Guys, in 1 month, 2 months, if you see your back, take a picture before doing it. Then after 1 month, you take another picture. Let's know if it actually made a difference. And if it did, you have to subscribe and get 10 more people to subscribe to my channel. So this is the only uses of this glycolic acid that I have tried, that I have experimented on myself. That is why I'm talking about it. But any other thing they tell you that glycolic acid does, I don't know about that yet. So please drop in the comments. If there are other things that glycolic acid does that I do not know, drop in the comments so that I can go and read about it, make a review and try it to know if it's really true. And I'm going to get back to you guys. Thank you so much. And I didn't introduce myself at the beginning. My name is Vivian. I'm a skincare esthetician. I make skincare reviews and product reviews, and I sell authentic skincare products direct from the brand. So please, you can shop from me and you can request for a recommendation. I'm going to be dropping my number so that you can text me for free recommendations anytime you want. I am always available, only for my YouTube family. Oh. Don't go and tell people on other social media. Only for my YouTube family. Other people on other social media, I charge them 15,000 for consultation. But you guys, it's always gonna be free because I don't know. YouTube is a less um a sane place. It's a less toxic place because there are some videos you post on other platforms and you post it on YouTube. The comments on that platform and the comments on YouTube are totally different. Like people on YouTube are so positive and nice. So I'm gonna be doing free consultation for you all. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button, share and give me a thumbs up if you enjoy my videos, and I'm gonna be making more. Trust me. Bye guys.